At Home Space, we've been working with Picture Perfect Cleaning for more than 4 years now, since May of 2017.
Picture Perfect Cleaning has been cleaning both my dental offices for over 5 years now.
So Picture Perfect Cleaning has been cleaning for us around 4 years.
It's been at least 5 or 6 years that they have been working with us, and we're very satisfied with the job they do.
They work with us on all of our apartment complexes, providing cleaning to more than 25 buildings throughout our portfolio. Our buildings range in size from 10 units all the way up to 74, and Picture Perfect does all the cleaning for us.
It's important that patients know as soon as they walk in the door, as soon as they go in the waiting room, they should see that the office is clean and well maintained, and Picture Perfect Cleaning does that for me.
Picture Perfect is helping us at St. Peter's. This is one building.
Picture Perfect Cleaning works with our gymnastics center, and we have a cleaning crew come in and they do all of our offices and our bathrooms to make sure our front area is really crisp and clean for our guests.
One of our favorite things about working with Picture Perfect is their commitment to our residents. At Home Space, we house a vulnerable population, and Picture Perfect has made sure all of their staff are trained and engage with our residents in an appropriate, friendly way.
What really stands out to me with Picture Perfect Cleaning is the communication I have with them. It far surpasses anything. If I ever have a problem, I call them, they fix it right away, they meet with me, they come up with solutions. Yeah, they've been really great to deal with.
The work they do is very thorough, and we're just so appreciative with the kind of detail they give to the cleaning of our church facility.
Over the course of the 8 years that our business has been open, we've worked with a few cleaning companies, and Picture Perfect is incredible. They have gone above and beyond compared to everybody else. We feel that every time we come in, we can really notice the difference. Picture Perfect is a very professional company, it's very organized, and we've always felt that our needs have been met. We find that there's an attention to detail within that cleaning that we just haven't found with other companies.
Since we've been working with Picture Perfect Cleaning, they go above and beyond time and time again, between engaging with our residents in really positive ways, as well as cleaning some very complex situations in our buildings.
So I think of how at the beginning of COVID, when we were needing to sanitize the church, the company was very helpful and supportive in ensuring that we had the cleaning supplies that were required. They were able to give us the machine at a good rate, and I felt very much supported by them at the beginning of COVID.
I've been in business for 20 years now, and I've struggled to find a good match. I would recommend Picture Perfect Cleaning to anyone. I can't imagine a better company. They've been great to deal with.
There is no other company in the city of Calgary that I would recommend besides Picture Perfect Cleaning. We're going to be with this company for a very long time, and the reason is because they have a very high standard. That standard is upkept, and I feel my needs are being met, and I feel like I'm being heard as a customer. One of the things that really stands out about our facility is the cleanliness, and Picture Perfect Cleaning contributes to that. And they really have allowed us to establish ourselves in the marketplace as the cleanest gym in town. No one ever talks about our facility being the one that smells bad and like stinky feet. Our facility is the clean facility, and that's because of the hard work of our team and the team at Picture Perfect Cleaning.